it's Brandy here with Scrapstorian, as well as a design team member of the Shotz design team. Shotz is a online company, scrapbooking company plus a kit club out of Calgary, Alberta, that also offers crops and retreats kind of idea. They do pop-up stores, all kinds of things, and I am a design team member with that lovely team of ladies. And this month I'm here to show you my March scrapbooking kit from Shotz. So I'm going to run you through everything that I received. Sandy, who is our boss lady there at Shotz, often throws in some extra things, so I'll be sure to link down below to the actual kit contents, but for now I'll tease you with all the great goodies I got. But I'm not sure how much more I got or if I did get any more, so it'll be interesting to do a little comparison, but it should be really fabulous. Either way, you will see as soon as I start going through this kit, so pretty great. So this is kind of a good general look of the kit here, and I will just start walking you through. So included in the kit, and it is largely based on the Simple Stories, the Vintage Traveler collection, Simple Vintage Traveler, is some washi tape. Kind of looks like a measuring tape or whatever, and it's got the nice oranges and greens and creams in there. As well, in my kit I got some of the frames that come with the kit. So these come in a pack, and these are the 3 that were included in my kit. So these are like a chipboard frame, really quite sturdy. I think those are really quite dimensional. Those will look really great. I also got out of the sticker book that comes with the collection some of the pages from the sticker book. So these are just awesome. I love them. And they're matte. There's no shine to them at all, which is just really cool. I love that. That seems so vintage to me, so that's pretty neat. So there's one sheet there. Oh, I love circles. Cute little labels. These look like little banners. Those are just great. Oh, and more circles. I love words. These are just a whole bunch of travel words. Never leaving. Postcard perfect. Are we there yet? Embrace the detours. Definitely. And then some of these bigger, I guess, rectangles, if you were. These look like 1 by 1.5 inch or something. So very cool. And you're starting to get an idea of the color scheme from this kit. I also received a pack of the bits and pieces, which is kind of the Simple Stories description for ephemera or die cuts, which are always great. And hopefully there's not too much glare. It's actually sunny here, which is nice. A whole bunch of little pieces in here, and I do have some loose as well that were in the kit that I can show you. And so lots of like vacation, travel postcard, that kind of thing. So very cool. Love those. Looking forward to tucking those into places. Included as well, Sandy dropped in some extra little bits that are from the die cut pieces. A different pack than the bits and pieces, but you can see there's some hot air balloons, some hearts, these fabulous banners or pendants, I guess maybe you'd call them banners, I think. Anyway, something. They're very cool. I quite enjoy them. So that's kind of neat, a little extra treat that's in there. So that's fabulous. Thank you. And then there's also these guys, these little airplanes. Perfect for travel. And then of course the classic road trip signs there, so that'll be neat to journal in those, or to put the date, or even to stamp the destination would be cool. Okay, also included is the Simple Stories, is this chipboard collection, and I know that glare is going to be awful, so I'm just going to pop this out. Bear with me. I'll just set it on its own self there. So there's that guy. So very cool. Love this travel old map. This is pretty neat, hey? And then lots of little circles, and I love that it comes with little bits and pieces, which is always nice just to add a little something something. So really great. And it doesn't look like there's a lot that's actually specific to a particular place, like the New Grand and the airport. So that's neat as well. So it sort of doesn't matter where you travel. Included in the kit as well are these fabulous Dear Lizzie thickers. So these got the white foam, so you get that added color, and these are gold and gorgeous and hopefully not killing you with the glare. And these are the woodland thickers from Dear Lizzie. Those are going to be fabulous, and they go so well to contrast with that matte color of the kit. Also included, I received in my kit, and again I'll link below so that you can see exactly what's in the kit contents in case I got some extra, and I feel like I did because this is just too fun, is 2 of the Simple Stories. This is the combo cardstock stickers, and this is the banner series. So you can see these are large banners. So those are going to look just so cool across a page. Oh my goodness. And then even pop up some of those little smaller banners on top. That'll be great. So this is all kind of banners, and they've already been kind of layered up, if you will, but in a sticker format. Lots of little geotags, which are my favorite. And then this is the combo cardstock sticker. So more of those air balloons, these great sayings, another kind of really big label. No, what do you call that? wow, what kind of day have I had? It's like a Monday and it's a Tuesday. But yeah, really cool. I love that there's this like realistic backpack amongst other things, and the luggage. So view, really neat. I think those would be super easy to use. And then last but definitely not least is the amazing paper of this kit. And so it's that Simple Stories quality, nice and thick, that matte finish to it. There's those awesome air balloons. This is the Take Me Away, and a great postcard stamp kind of idea in a muted pink, which is just gorgeous. Almost like a muted blush, I think. And then there's also this simple vintage traveler. This is the Departure, so the little planes, and on the back side is a fabulous muted yellow stripe. I love a diagonal stripe. Those are great. Oh, I like this. Yeah, more words. I think this will be great to fussy cut apart, use in strips. And then the back side, oh, that will be the one I'm using. 100%. I love a map. That is a beautiful map. Ooh. Oh, I can just, yeah, that's going to be good stuff. Okay. Oh, this is neat. Looks like vintage kind of postcards. Oh, and these are kind of specific to places. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's neat. And then the back side, oh, that's nice too. This looks like bus tickets in a nice blue. So lots of options here to make pages really quite busy or to go much simpler, and lots of opportunities to fussy cut. Love this, kind of got that already set up on the side for you. And then of course a fabulous geotag. What travel collection isn't complete with a fabulous geotag? To say I'm quite interested to see how well I do with this peachy orange color. I don't think I've ever scrapped with it very much, but wow, does it ever look good with these greens and blues of the kit. So I'm interested to see how that goes for me. Postage stamps. Oh, and that's a great backside, and it's got a few of the pieces of that brighter piece on there. That's nice. Oh, I love this. Ooh, that's a title page if I ever saw one. That's great. And this is the Hello World. Oh, that's also great too. That green polka dot. Can't go wrong. Lots of great A and B sides on here. Those hot air balloons again. Those would be fabulous to fussy cut. Oh, we know that's the side I'm going to use. Love maps. Love, love, love. That's really great. Love the overlay there. How those all sit on each other. Oh, this would be great as a single piece, like a grid backup, or even to cut these out as cut aparts. Those are fabulous. Really cool sayings. Oh, and then the back is a good polka dot in all of the colors of the kit, so that's very nice. That will back photos really well as well if it's not used as a full. And here's another cut apart. This is the 3x4 elements. Oh, it's just really size up and size down really well. It's really neat. Oh, I love that. That's busy and crazy and good. Lots of bus tickets. I like that. And I like that that yellow, that mustard color is really vibrant in that one. Get another cut apart. This is the 4x4. Love it. Super great. And then, oh, that's my alley right there. Words, yellow and cream. Don't mind if I do. This is the 4x6 elements. These are great. Oh, Adventure Awaits. That's beautiful. Oh, that's cute. The compasses. That's what fabulous in the orange. That's really great. And then here is, oh, I'm so sorry. My husband has a cold. It seems to me I might be getting it as well. How fabulous. This is the just like the matching coordinates kind of idea. So this is the navy light blue, and there's just a little kind of bits of map there, and you can see some kind of the paper in the background look of like the journal ripoff. And then there's the dark blue. That is a fabulous blue. That's like mysterious teal fabulousness. And then this is the rust with green. So there's the green of the kit, and there's that rust of the kit, and that to me is like that kind of that peachy color. So that's really neat. And this one here, last but not least, is the blush and the brown. So this is the brown side. Love that it's got kind of that watermark already. It really does give that vintage look. And this is just really great. So I think that's going to be great too. So lots of good busy patterns, but also really great A patterns plus the matching. So that is my kit for this month. I have a traveler's notebook to do for when I hiked the Hadrian's Wall path in England. Pembrokeshire Coastal Trail in Wales is the one I still have to do. And I think this one would be really great for that. It's kind of got that cool vintage vibe to it. And the hike is lots of greens and browns and blues from the ocean. So I think that would go really nicely. So I think that's what I'm going to do, but stay tuned. Lots will be on the Instagram and the Scrap Shotz blog for sure, and as well as the Scrap Story blog. So thanks for watching and enjoy your March.